Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the Apple ID email and nearby trusted device. Don't pause to hunt for paper records. Open Settings on your iPhone or go to iCloud. And attempt sign in using the suspected email. If you hit password issues, choose Forgot Password and start account recovery. Apple will ask verification questions and trusted device approval. Once done, note any recovery codes or verification steps shown. They'll be needed for the next phase when you confirm ownership and regain access. Now you push through account recovery. Select Can't access your account, then Account Recovery and follow the prompts. You must explain why you need access and supply proof. Apple may ask for past passwords, billing info, or device serial numbers. Give the most accurate answers you remember. If you have a recovery contact or trusted phone, make sure you can receive codes there. Once submitted, Apple sends status updates and an estimated wait time. Keep that email and the recovery ID handy for follow-up. When Apple approves recovery, accept on your trusted device or use the recovery ID to sign in on iCloud. You'll be prompted to set a new password and review security settings, so do that immediately. Once back in, inspect iCloud data sections, photos, backups, mail, and contacts, and export or re-enable syncing as needed. If something fails or the wait time exceeds expectations, start a fresh recovery attempt and then call Apple support with your recovery ID.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.